Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. And before we go about doing that, well, I see we are going to divide by a fraction. So for this particular part, you will then see Mr. Tan. First step will then be to make sure that this will become the same as multiplying the reciprocal. What do Mr. Tan mean by that? Well, it means that the x squared plus 5x plus 6 will become the numerator. The x minus 3 will become the denominator. Okay? Next thing, if I can factorize, I factorize and I see that there are two. One numerator and one denominator that I could factorize. Okay, so let's do the easy one first. This one I could take out common factor. I'm left with x plus 3. As for x squared plus 5x plus 6, I would then make use of my cross chart to help me. So I'll have x squared here, x times x will give me x squared. And I will need to think about for 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, all positive. Which pair will enable me to get my 5x? Yup, 2 times 3, because then I will have 3x plus 2x. Then they will give me back my 5x. And so this will be the factorized form for x squared plus 5x plus 6. And once I have this, I could then simplify x plus 3, x plus 3, the numerator can divide off to give me 1 over 1. And then I realize there's no other brackets or factors that I could continue to simplify. This will be the answer, where I will have 12 times x plus 2 for the numerator. And for the denominator, 5 times x minus 3. And you do not have to simplify or expand the numerator or denominator. This will be the final answer. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.